I was one of your best friends. We would call for hours until we slept. Wasn't it obvious that